Hi, in this video I will show you how to make a public profile on the Snapchat for Android. So Snapchat recently launched a feature of the public profile. So how you can basically grab this feature. So first of all, open your Snapchat and go to your chats. Once you will in your chats, now you have to click on the profile from the left top. Once you will do it, now you have to click on the setting first. Once you will in your settings, you have to search for the contact me and make it everyone. Go back, use my cameo selfie, make it everyone. Send me notification, make it everyone. And view my story, it's custom, and you have to click on the everyone. After that, go back in the profile, you will see my public profile. Tap on it, and from here you can basically create your public profile. So this is the procedure to create your public profile on the Snapchat. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.